Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your environment is ready. Activate the Python environment you use for notebooks. Once done, install or update the core packages that provide completion, ipykernel and Jedi, so the kernel can analyze symbols. You run pip install ipykernel Jedi or conda install equivalents, and then launch Jupyter Notebook in that same environment. This ensures the running kernel and installed libraries match. Without that alignment, Autocomplete won't see newly installed packages. Next, you enable the completer itself and configure how it behaves. If you use Classic Notebook, install and enable Jupyter Contrib extensions and turn on the hinterland or completer extension. In Jupyter Lab, enable the LSB or Autocomplete extension via the Extension Manager. Once enabled, open a notebook and test typing an object name followed by a dot. Make sure Jedi is set correctly. Some workflows prefer Jedi enabled for richer introspection. Finally, you finalize and verify completion works. Restart the kernel and refresh your browser so the extensions and updated packages load cleanly. Then test by typing a variable name and a dot, or hit tab and observe suggestions. This confirms the kernel and completer communicate. If you don't see completions, check the browser console and Jupyter terminal for errors. As a quick fix, reinstall ipykernel or Jedi. Ensure the notebook uses the correct kernel path, and clear browser cache before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.